Natural ways to help treat polycystic ovary syndrome (PCOS). Polycystic ovary syndrome (PCOS) is the most common endocrine condition among women of reproductive age. Its symptoms include ovarian cysts, irregular periods, acne, thinning hair, weight gain. Researchers say the causes of PCOS are complicated, but insulin resistance and hormone regulation are key factors. You may be able to manage these factors and ease your symptoms through lifestyle changes. Diet changes. Eating the right foods and avoiding certain ingredients may help you manage your symptoms. A nourishing diet can help regulate your hormones and your menstrual cycle. Eating processed, heavily preserved foods can contribute to inflammation and insulin resistance. It's all about whole foods. Whole foods are free from artificial sugars, hormones, and preservatives. These foods are as close to their natural, unprocessed state as possible. Fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes are whole foods that you can add to your diet. Balance carb and protein intake. Carbohydrates and protein both impact your energy and hormone levels. Eating protein stimulates your body to produce insulin. Unprocessed, high-carb foods can improve insulin sensitivity. Instead of trying a low-carb diet, focus on getting enough healthy protein. Plant-based protein sources, such as nuts, legumes, and whole grains, are best. Aim for anti-inflammatory foods. PCOS is described by one study as low-level chronic inflammation. Adding anti-inflammatory foods to your diet can help ease your symptoms. Consider the Mediterranean diet as an option. Olive oil, tomatoes, leafy greens, fatty fish like mackerel and tuna, and tree nuts all fight inflammation. Increase iron intake. Some women with PCOS experience heavy bleeding during their period. This can result in iron deficiency or anemia. It's recommended to add iron-rich foods such as spinach, eggs, and broccoli to your diet. Increase magnesium intake. Almonds, cashews, spinach, and bananas are PCOS-friendly foods rich in magnesium. Add in some fiber to help with digestion. A diet high in fiber can help improve your digestion. Lentils, lima beans, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, pears, and avocados are all rich in fiber. Cut out coffee. Caffeine consumption may be linked to changes in estrogen levels and hormone behavior. And if you can't go without a caffeine boost, reach for green tea instead. Green tea has been shown to improve insulin resistance. It can also help with weight management in women with PCOS. Consider soy products. Before adding more soy to your diet, ask your doctor about the latest research. Soy acts like estrogen in your body. This might help balance hormones if you have PCOS. But there's also evidence that adding soy to your diet could disrupt your endocrine system. People with a family history of estrogen-related cancers, such as some breast cancers, should avoid soy products. If your doctor approves adding soy to your diet, consider soy milk, tofu, miso, and tempeh. Inositol. Inositol is a B vitamin that can help improve insulin resistance. It's also been found to help with fertility in some cases of PCOS. Chromium. Chromium supplements may improve your body mass index, which can help with PCOS. They may also stabilize insulin resistance by helping your body metabolize sugar. Cinnamon. Cinnamon comes from the bark of cinnamon trees. Cinnamon extract has been shown to have a positive effect on insulin resistance. Cinnamon also may regulate menstruation for women with PCOS. Turmeric. The active ingredient in turmeric is called curcumin. Turmeric may be promising for decreasing insulin resistance and is an anti-inflammatory agent. Zinc. Zinc is a trace element that can boost fertility and your immune system. Excessive or unwanted hair growth and alopecia may be improved with zinc supplements. You can also eat red meat, beans, tree nuts, and seafood to get more zinc in your diet. Evening primrose oil. Evening primrose oil has been used to help with period pain and irregular menstruation. It may also improve cholesterol levels and oxidative stress, both of which are linked to PCOS. Combined vitamin D and calcium. Vitamin D is a hormone that's vital to your endocrine system. Vitamin D deficiency is common in women with PCOS. Vitamin D and calcium may improve irregular periods and help you ovulate. Cod liver oil. Cod liver oil contains vitamins D and A, as well as high amounts of omega-3 fatty acids. These acids can help improve menstrual regularity and help get rid of fat around your waist. Berberine. Berberine is an herb used in Chinese medicine to help with insulin resistance. If you have PCOS, berberine may ramp up your metabolism and balance your body's endocrine responses. Maca root. The root of the maca plant is a traditional herb used to boost fertility and libido. Maca root may help balance hormones and lower cortisol levels. It may also help treat depression, which can be a symptom of PCOS. Ashwagandha. Ashwagandha is also called Indian ginseng. It can help balance cortisol levels, which could improve stress and symptoms of PCOS. Holy basil. Holy basil, also called tulsi, addresses chemical and metabolic stress. It's referred to as queen of herbs. Holy basil can help reduce your blood sugar, prevent weight gain, and lower your cortisol levels. Licorice root. The root of the licorice plant contains a compound called glycyrrhizin, which has several unique properties. Licorice root has been suggested as an anti-inflammatory agent. It works to help metabolize sugar and balance hormones. Probiotics. Probiotics don't just help with your digestion and gut health. They can play an important role in treating PCOS. They can also reduce inflammation and regulate sex hormones like androgen and estrogen. Maintain a healthy weight. Maintaining a healthy weight can help decrease insulin resistance, regulate your period, and reduce your risk of conditions associated with PCOS. If you're overweight, some studies suggest gradual weight loss through a low-calorie diet as a promising first-line treatment for PCOS. Balance your exercise. Exercise is important for maintaining a healthy weight. But too much exercise can disrupt your hormones, so talk with your doctor about a healthy balance. Gentle, low-impact exercises like yoga or Pilates can be practiced for longer durations. Swimming and light aerobics are also recommended. High-intensity interval training and long-distance running may also help improve symptoms of PCOS. Practice good sleep hygiene. Sleep affects your stress levels and helps regulate cortisol to balance your hormones. But sleep disturbances are twice as common for women with PCOS. To up your sleep hygiene, aim for 8 to 10 hours of sleep per night. Establish a regular bedtime routine. Avoid stimulants and rich fatty foods before bedtime. Reduce stress. Reducing stress can regulate cortisol. Many of the strategies mentioned above, such as yoga, getting enough sleep, and cutting caffeine, can contribute to lower stress levels. Taking walks outside and creating space in your life for relaxation and self-care can also reduce how stressed you feel.